I don't know where will you sit, because you are Prime Minister and my host.
You sit anywhere, Your Excellency, I'll follow you.
No, important people go first. That's your place, I think. Well, it's a good opportunity that we have
Yes,
to sign this agreement that will make a little facilitation.
I was asked last couple of days by someone, why are you signing
With Argentina.
with Argentina? I said, because we play rugby.
Yes. That,
First of all,
that is the same one. Because when they brought me the agreement, I said, why are we signing about the world with Fiji? And they said, rugby. Okay,
Yeah.
we will.
Your
It will be a
Excellency.
good signature.
Gracias. Gracias.
Estoy agradecido. Mr. Prime Minister, it was a nice opportunity to meet you, and I hope that we will be seeing soon. Okay?
I hope you come to the Pacific sometime and come to
We
Fiji.
will. Yeah, I would love that.
Yeah.
It's
You
a
know, we
lovely
have a-
place. You know that we're very lovely place.